Hello friends, this is Coach Veer and I welcome you back again on my YouTube channel Coach Veer. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. In this video, I am going to tell you about nested root problems which I usually see in question papers of various examinations. And a good thing about this video is at the end of this video, I am going to provide you one similar problem. And please try to comment if you got the answer. Thank you. Let's start with the question. Nested root problem means a problem which is some kind of like a root is given to you and you need to find the value of that root. Like suppose I given you 30 plus root over 30, like that it is a keep on going. Okay. So let's take it going to infinity. Now in these type of problems, we usually have to take it as x. You can take it as y also, whichever is good to you. And now it's all about finding the pattern. We need to find the pattern where the pattern is getting started. So let's start. The pattern is starting from this point. You can see after this point, everything is going to be same again. So what we do is we need to replace this whole thing with the x again. Let's replace this with x, and what we got here is x is equal to root over 30 plus x. Okay. Now next step, you be presuming that we have to square both the sides. Okay, let's square it. Squaring both the sides. So if we square, we get x square is equal to 30 plus x, and it's a kind of quadratic equation if we bring all the things this side, and this is a quadratic equation. Okay, so let's solve this quadratic equation here separately. There are various ways to solve a quadratic equation. I'm just using the factoring method because I think it's easy in this. So factors of 30 is 6 and 5, very easy. So we just take negative 6x and positive 5x, and negative 30 is equal to 0. Okay. So let's take out the x common. We get x minus 6. Because x is here, one x will come out, it becomes x only, and this 6 will be left. Now if we take plus 5 common, this will become x, and this 30 is left with only 6. Okay. So now you see this thing, in both of them have x minus 6 as common, so we can take them out, and if we take them out, we are left with only x plus 5. Okay. So you know, when two numbers are getting multiplied and the answer is coming equal to 0, it means whether this number is equal to 0 or whether this number is equal to 0 or both of them is equal to 0, then only the multiplication 0 is possible. Let's take x minus 6 is equal to 0 first. So we get x is equal to 6. Same way, if we take x plus 5 equal to 0, then we get x is equal to minus 5. And the answer for this is both, because it's a quadratic equation, and you can see a root value is always comes into positive and negative. Okay, so just for example, if you want me to elaborate it further, you see if root over 4 is given, the answer is not 2, it's both positive 2 and the negative 2, because 4 can be written as 2 into 2 inside the root, or it can be written as negative 2 into negative 2. Okay, that's why the answer are both. Okay, now as I told you, I give you a different problem also which is just related to it. Let me give you that problem, just erasing this part. Okay, so the problem is, if you have to find a nested root of 20 plus root over 20 plus root over 20. I have a very difficult problem related to it, but that I will show you in the coming videos, not in this. And please try to solve this with the same methods, and if any difficulty you can comment in comment section. I will reply. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video, and please give your valuable comments, subscribe to my channel, and share it as much as you can. Thank you.